Viperfish. It has long fangs that point up. It lives in the deep, dark sea. It flashes lights to lure prey. Hatchetfish. Its body is thin like a hatchet blade. It swims in deep waters. It glows to blend with moonlight. Dragonfish. It looks fierce with barbel lights. It lives far below sunlight. It uses glow bait to hunt. Oarfish. It's long like a silver ribbon. It lives in deep oceans. It sometimes rises to the surface after storms. Snipe eel. It has a very thin beak. It lives in open deep water. It snaps tiny shrimp in the dark. Gulper eel. It has a huge mouth and tiny body. It lives in the deep sea. It can swallow prey bigger than itself. Barreli fish. It has a clear head with green eyes. It hovers above jellyfish and worms. Its eyes look upward through its glassy dome. Tripod fish. It stands on long, thin legs. It waits on the seafloor. It faces into currents for food. Fangtooth. It has giant teeth for its size. It lives in the deep. It looks scary, but stays small. Haddock. It has a dark shoulder spot. It lives in North Atlantic waters. It nibbles worms and small shellfish. Pacific halibut. It has both eyes on one side. It lives on sandy bottoms. It lies flat and waits quietly. Summer flounder. It has a camouflaged flat body. It lives in shallow coastal areas. It changes color to match sand. Dover sole. It has tiny scales and soft skin. It lives on gentle sea floors. It wiggles into mud to hide. Grouper. It has a thick, strong body. It lives near reefs and ledges. It opens a big mouth to suck prey. Red snapper. It has rosy scales and red eyes. It lives over reefs offshore. It hovers calmly above structures. Tarpon. It has large, shiny scales. It lives near warm coasts. It gulps air at the surface. Bonefish. It has a slender silver frame. It lives on sandy flats. It digs for worms with its mouth. Needlefish. It has a very long snout. It lives near the surface. It skims quickly over calm water. Half-beak. It has a short top jaw. It lives along tropical shores. It nibbles floating plants and small crustaceans. Remora. It has a suction disc on head. It lives attached to big animals. It hitches rides to find food.